How to register Al Ansari app. Now, first of all, download the Al Ansari app. So how to do that? So go to App Store or Google Play Store if you use the Android on your phone. Now search for Al Ansari Exchange and tap download or install. Now after that, after you download the app, open the app and select register. So once the app is installed, open it, tap register to create a new account instead of login. After that, enter your mobile number. So type your UA mobile number and tap next. And you will receive a verification code. So OTP, this is the name of it, by SMS, and enter it of the app to continue. Now fill in personal details. So enter your phone name, email address, nationality, and Emirates ID number. And now make sure all the information matches your official ID to avoid problems later. Now after that, create a password. So set a strong password for your account. Use at least 8 characters, including letters and numbers, to keep your account safe. Now after that, you can verify your identity. So the app may ask you to upload your Emirates ID or take a selfie for verification. Now follow the on-screen instruction carefully until verification is complete. Finally, log in and start using the app. So once registration is done, log in with your mobile number and password. You can now send money, check rates, or manage your transfers directly from the app. And this is how to register Al Ansari app. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.